Good morning to all. I am Paul Kumar, Grade 3, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 5, Division. My practice 10, 4. Divide the following. Question number A. 639 divided by 3. 639 divided by 3. 639 is a 3-digit number. It is called dividend. 639 is a 3-digit number. It is called dividend. It is called dividend. And then 3 is called divisor. Number 3 is called divisor. 639. It is a 3-digit numbers. Already we know that the place value ones, tens, and then hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. 639. The divisor part is 3. First we take the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 6. So divisor is 3. So we want to 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. So we take the table. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3, 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. But we want to 6. So 3 2s are 6. So our answer is 3 2s are 6. That means 6 divided by 3. What? What is 6 divided by 3? 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. It is a question part. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So divided part is 6. 3 2s are 6. Next you want to minus 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next bring down 3. The divided part is 3. The new divided part is 3. So divisor part also 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. That means 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. First one 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Next one bring down the number 3. So new divided part is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Next also minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next we go to the ones place. Here ones place is 9. Divisor is 3. That means 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. We take their table. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Listen here. First one, dividend part is 639 and the divisor part is 3. We take the place value first. Ones, tens, hundreds. Always we divide the hundreds place only. First one hundreds place is 6. So 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6. We go to the table. 3 2s are 6. Next you want to minus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next we go to the tens place. Tens place is 3. Bring down the number 3. Next we go to 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3. This is a new dividend part. The divisor is 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1, or 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next we go to the ones place. Ones place is 9 having 9 ones having. So bring down the number 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3. Again the new dividend is 9. So 9 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Next also we want to minus 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So remainder will be 0. It is an exact divisor. The solution part is 213. 213. This is a question. 213. Next one. B part. 824 divided by 2. 824 divided by 2. It is a 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. The hundreds place is 8. So 8 divided by 2. 824 is a dividend, and then 2 is a divisor. 2 is a divisor. So we want the second table. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 1 to 8 divided by 2. 1 to 8 divided by 2. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. The divisor is 2. 2 2s are 4. We want to 8. So next one, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Here 8 having. So one more time. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Listen here. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Next you want to minus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next one, bring down the number 2. It is a new dividend. Next we go to 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2. It is a dividend. It is a divisor. 2 divided by 2. That means 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Next also we want to minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next we go to hundreds place. Ones place. Here ones place is 4. The new divisor is 4. 2 2s are 4. Listen here. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. We want to minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So our question part is 412. Our answer is 412. Next one, C part. 844 then divided by 4. 844 is a dividend, and then 4 is a divisor. 844. Ones, tens, hundreds. We want to divide 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. Our divisor part is 4. So we take the fourth table up to 8. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 1 to 8. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 800 7. So 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next, bring down the number 4. That means 4 tens. 4 tens, 4 divided by 4. The new dividend is 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 1 to minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next we go to the ones place. Here ones place 4 having. Bring down the number 4. It is a new dividend part. The number 4 is a new dividend part. 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4. That means 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next our answer part is 211. 211. Next one D part 642 and then divides 3. 642 is a dividend part and 3 is a divisor part. 642 is a 3-digit number. Ones, tens and then 100. Here our hundreds place is 6. So we go to the third table. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 1 dot 2, 6. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Next you want to minus. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next we go to the tens place. 4 tens having. Bring down the number 4. Bring down the number 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. 4 is, we cannot exact divisible by 3. 4 is, we cannot exact divisible by 3. So, only one times 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. The next we want to minus. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Our remainder part is 1. Our remainder part is 1. 1 does not divide by 3. 1 does not divide by 3. So, we go to 1's place. Bring down the number 2. So, our new dividend is 12. Our new dividend is 12. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. Divisor is 3. 3 3s are 9. Here dividend part is 12. So again one more time. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12. You want 12 only? 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So question part is 214. Listen here. Dividend part is 442 and the divisor is 3. First we take the hundreds place. Here hundreds place is 6. So we take the table. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Next you want to minus. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next we go to the tens place. Tens place 4 having. Bring out the number 4 divided by 3. And 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 is not possible. It is not an exact divisor. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. You want to minus. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. The number 1 is a new divisor. 1 does not divide by 3. 1 does not divide by 3. So we bring on the number 2 nearby 1. The new divisor is 12, new dividend is 12, 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3. We go to third table, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So 3 into 4 is equal to 12. You want to minus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Our answer is 214. The answer is 214. Next one, second part. Second part, divide and find the quotient and remainder of the following. Question part A, 365 divided by 3. You want to divide and find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. 365 is a divided part and then 3 is a divisor part. Ones, tens, 100. Always first divide hundreds place. So 3 divided by 3. First one, 3 divided by 3. Divisor is 3. We go to third table. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. You want to minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And the next one, tens place. Bring down the number 6. 6 divided by 3. The new dividend is 6. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. So, third table, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. You want to up to 6. So, 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. The next one you want to minus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next we go to the ones place. Here ones place 5 having. So bring down the number 5. Nearby 0. 5 is a new dividend. 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3. The number 5 is not exact divided by 3. The number 5 is not exact divided by 3. So only one times. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Next you want to minus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So you want to quotient and remainder. It is a quotient part. Is equal to 121. And then 2 is a remainder part. So the remainder is 2. Remainder is equal to 2. The quotient is 121 and then remainder is 2. Next one, B part, 557 then divided by 5. 557 is a dividend and then 5 is a divisor. In this part you want to divide and find quotient and remainder. 5 divided by 5. Our divisor part is 5. First one we take 100 place. 5 divided by 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Listen here. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. want to minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Next we go to tens place. The tens place is 5 having 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Again 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Listen here. The new divisor is 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Or 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next you want to minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Next we go to the ones place. Here ones place is 7 value. So bring down the number 7 right nearby 0. The new divisor dividend is 7. 7 is a not exact division by 5. 7 is a not exact division by 5. So 1 times 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into again multiple 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next you want to minus 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. The number 2 is a remainder. Number 2 is called the remainder. And then 1, 1, 1. 111 is called the quotient. So our solution is quotient is equal to 111 and then remainder is equal to 2. Quotient is equal to 107 and then remainder is equal to 2. Next is C part. 459 divided by 4. 459 is a 3-digit numbers. We want to divide first hundreds place. 4 divided by 4. The divisor part is 4. So we go to fourth table. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next we want to minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Next bring out the number 5. 5 is a tens place. So 5 tens. 5 is not exact divisible by 4. So 1 times 4 into 1. Again 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next you want to minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 is does not divisible by 4. 1 is does not divisible by 4 because 1 less than 4 because 1 less than 4. So we go to ones place. The ones place 9 having, bring down the number 9. This change 19. 19. So we go to the divisor. 19 divided by 4. 19 divided by 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Next one. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Up to we want to 19. Less than 19. So 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. But we have 19 only. So it is not possible. So 4 4s are 16. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Next you want to minus 19 minus 16. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. The number 3 is a remainder. 3 is our remainder part, and then 114 is quotient part. The fourth solution is quotient is equal to 114 and then remainder or is equal to 3. Remainder is equal to 3. Next one, D part. 857 divided by 2. 857 is a 3-digit numbers. So 1, tens, hundreds. It is a 3-digit numbers. It is called the dividend part. It is called the dividend part. And the number 2 is called divisor part. First we want to divide 8 by 2 because the 8 is a hundreds place. 8 divided by 2. Divisor is 2. So we take second table. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 1 to 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Because 8 only having, so 2 4s are 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 800. What to minus? 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Next we go to tens place. 5 tens carrying. So bring down the number 5. 5 is not exact division by 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. But we have 5 only here. So 2 2s are 4. We take 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next we want to minus. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So bring down the number 7. Number 17 is a new dividend. 17 divided by 2 is not possible because it is not an exact divisible. So we go to second table. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. But we have 17 only. So 2 into 9 is equal to 8. It is not possible. So 2 8s are 16. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Next you want to minus 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6. 1's place 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So remainder is 1 and then quotient is 428. 428. Next one. Finally, our homework part. My practice time 4. Question number 1. E, F, G, H. And then question number 2 is also E, F, G, H. Thank you to all. Morning Program, Grade 3, Subject Maths, Chapter 5, Division. My practice 10, 5. Divide the following. Question part A, 805, then divide by 5. 805 is a 3-digit number, and then we want to divide 5. It is called dividend, then 5 is called divisor. First we take the place value, ones, tens, hundreds. Always first we want to divide hundreds place. So 8 divided by 5. 800 divided by 5. So 5 is a divisor. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 multiple 1 is equal to 5. 8 minus 5. 1 to minus 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 3 is not divisible by 5. So you want to tens place. Here tens place is 0. So break down the numbers 0 nearby 3. Now we get new dividend 30. New dividend part is 30. 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. Up to 1 to 30. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7s are 35. We need only 30. So 5 6 are 30. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Next you want to minus 0 minus 0 0. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So our answer is 0. Next we go to the ones place. Bring down the number 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. That means 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 1 to minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Listen here, 805 divided by 5. 805 is the dividend part, and then 5 is the divisor part. We want to divide first 8. So 8 divided by 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next you want to minus 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 3 does not divide by 5. So bring down the number 0. Now we get new dividend 30. 6 times 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. Next one, bring down the number 5. 1 times 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 1 to minus second. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So our answer is 161. Our question part is 161. Next one, B part. 660 divided by 6. 660 divided by 6. Ones, tens, hundreds. We take hundreds place. 6 divided by 6. 6 divided by 6. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Next one, 1 to minus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Next we go to the tens place. The tens place is 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Next you want to minus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Next we have 1's place is 0. So we add one more 0 with quotient place 110. So our answer is 110. Listen here, 660. First we want to hundreds place. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Bring down the number 6. And 1 times 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Again 1 0 having. So we add with 0 quotient part and the remainder will be automatically 0. So our answer is 110. Our answer is 110. Next, C part, 505. 505 then divided by 5. Here dividend part is 505 and then divisor part is 5. Ones, tens, hundreds. First we take the hundreds place. Hundreds place is 5. 5 divided by 5. That means we take fifth table. 5 into 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So divided by 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next you want to minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. And the next tens place is also 0. So we add 0 with quotient place. The next we go to 1's place. Here 1's place is 5. Remember number 5. Our new dividend part is 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Again 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 1 to minus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So remainder part will be 0. It is called exact division. And the quotient part is 101. Next D part, 804 then divided by 4. 804 divided by 4. Here 8 having 8 divided by 4. 1 to 8 divided by 4. Divisor is 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Isn't it? 4 into 1 is equal to 4. We have 8. So up to 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Our dividend part is 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Again we go to tens place. Tens place also 0. So we add one more 0 with quotient part. The next bring down the number 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4. That means 1 times 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 1 to minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So our answer is 201. Our answer is 201. Next one, that is times 6. Second part, write the quotient and remainder for the following. Question part A, 4193 then divided by 8. 4193 is a 4-digit number, and then we want to divide by 8. The 8 is a single digit number. 493. First you take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So you have 4 thousands. You have 4 thousands. The number 4 does not divide by 8. The number 4 does not divide by 8. So we take hundreds place also. So now 41. Now 41. 41 divided by 8. 41 divided by 8. 8 is a division. 41 is a divided part. Now we want to 41 divided by 8. Listen here. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. And then 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. Now we want to 41 only. So 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. This is not possible. So 8 5s are 40. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 1 to minus. 1 minus 0 is equal to 0. 4, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, and then 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 1 does not divide by 8. So we go to tens place. Here our tens place is 9. So our new dividend part is 19. New dividend part is 19. Listen here. 19 divided by 8. 19 divided by 8. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. We want to including 19. So 8 2s are 16. 19 less than 19 is equal to 8 2s are 16. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Next one to minus. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 3 does not divide by 8. So bring down the number 3. Bring down the number 3. Our new dividend part is 33. 33 divided by 8. 33 divided by 8. Listen here. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. Then 8 5s are 40. Now we want to 8 4s are 32. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Again we want to minus. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So question part is 524 and the remainder is 1. Our question part is write the question and remainder. Therefore, 24 and then remainder is equal to 1. It's our solution. Next one, B part, 5579 then divided by 4. 5579 divided by 4. 5599 is a 4-digit number. Then divisor part is 4. So first we take the 1000 place. Here our 1000 place is 5 only having. So 1 times 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Our dividend is 4. So 1 to minus 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 1 to minus 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 1 does not divided by 4. So we go to 100's place, 500 having, bring down the number 5. So the new dividend is 15. 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4. So we go to 4th table. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Now 1 to less than 15. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 1 to minus 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 3 does not divide by 4. So bring down the number 7. 7 tens. 7 tens. That is 7. 37 divided by 4. The divisor part is 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. Listen here. 4 into 1 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Then we move on to 37 only. So we take 4 9s are 36. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 7 minus 1. 1 to minus 7 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next one. Bring down the number 9. 19 divided by 4. 19 divided by 4. Listen here. 4 5s are 20 is the largest number. You want to less than 90. So 4 4s are 16. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Then so on to minus 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So remainder part is 3 and then quotient part is 194. 3 is a remainder part and then Q is equal to 194. The next one. Next one, homework part. My practice time 5. Second Roman E F G. And my practice time 6. First Roman D E F. And then second one also D, E, F. Thank you all. So here my practice time 5. First one E, F, G, and then my practice time 6. First one D, E, F, second one also D, E, F. Thank you all.